It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the
Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is day 12 of Dilmas. Yay! So today I want to tell you about a deal on Amazon, and that is the 3 months for 99 cents limited time offer for Amazon Music. As you can see, normally it's $7.99 a month. This is for new subscribers only. I will put the link in the description if you want to just go straight to this offer. So it's Amazon Music Unlimited. It's 3 months for 99 cents. Starts at $7.99 after that. It gives you unlimited access to any song, on demand, always ad-free. You can listen offline with unlimited skips. It has hand-free listening with Alexa. So if you haven't figured it out yet, Google and Amazon are battling. Google wants you to get the Google Home products. Amazon wants you to get the Alexa products like the Echo and Echo Dot. So they're coming up with comparable deals, which we can benefit from. Now, like I said, this offer is only available to new subscribers, so you need to have information that you have never used for Amazon Music. You do need to be in the United States to be able to take advantage of this as well. Only one customer per account can take advantage of this offer. If you go ahead and go to try now, you will be prompted to sign in. It will tell you the breakdown so you can get the individual plan, which is 3 months for 99 cents. Just like with the Google Home Mini when you get Spotify for 3 months for 99 cents. If you've seen my previous Dilmas video, their family plan is the same as Spotify's $14.99 per month if you choose to do that one. That allows you to have up to 6 members use it at one time. Pick which one you want and click join now. Now, when you click join now, you're authorizing them to charge your default card or another card 99 cents for the first 3 months and then $9.99 per month after plus any taxes. It will automatically renew once these 3 months are over at that $9.99. So you definitely want to make sure that you cancel it before then if you do not wish to continue at that price. And you can do that by going to your Amazon Music settings. And well, since we're going ahead and looking at getting the Amazon Music 3 months for 99 cents, let's go ahead and look at the actual Amazon product that they want you to use this in conjunction with. And that is the Echo Dot. They have the second generation marked down to $19.99 from $39.99 right now on Amazon. And it has free 2-day shipping if you're a Prime member. Or you can pay 5 monthly payments of $4. You can get it in black or you can get it in white. It will arrive before Christmas if you order it today. I will put the link to this direct product in the description as well to make it easier for all my viewers. Just click on the link, pick which color you want. If you want to have it with the $10 Wemo Smart Plug, go ahead and do that if you'd like. Choose if you want to do the 5 monthly payments or a one-time payment, or if you don't have Amazon Prime, if you want to try that, go ahead and add it to the cart and you'll be able to check out and have an Echo Dot, and you'll be able to have the Amazon Music subscription to go along with it. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Dilmas video.
Nope.